Dominating MCs from Pre-IB. Chill Hill on Man City. I gotta find a way out, there's no way I can stay and be a part of this hate. And what you call it is fake, cause when I bust this rhyme, listen this time and try to understand what's on my mind. Cause I see so much craziness. I lie up on my bed at night, I feel so fucking helpless and distressed. We are put to the test by those same motherfuckers with a cross on their chest. Too much money, too much power. People dying every hour. Too much money, too much power. People dying every hour.
Og lad os tage på det, jeg havde på vores jord. I stedet for at udtrykke sig med bruger ord. Endte det i slagsskolen, det der hedder masse mor. Det minder om en plan. Giv den op for alt sammen, hvis du kan være. Det er som om du ser livet som en træne batteri. Havde slet grænse med det virkelighed og fantasi.
Too much money, too much power. People dying every hour. Too much money, too much power. People dying every hour. Poor people, they're sick and they're hungry. Rich people, they're driving in Humvees. Can you believe this massive contrast? The world is on top, but gold never lasts. And the love that it brings is just a class act. And the hate that it generates is moderate, yeah. Like Mr. Scarface, it's the true criminals that rule the human race. Too much money, too much power. People dying every hour. People dying every hour.
De fleste af jer er den type jeg foragter.